Okay, my name is Veronica Zacek. I did my art paper on Snap the Whip by Winslow Homer. A little bit on the painting. It was made in 1872. It's an oil paint that was on canvas. It's 22 inches by 36 inches. It portrays 9 school-age boys playing a game that was called Crack the Whip. It's a game in which they all hold on to each other and they run in different directions, and the force is exerted on the end of the tail, and it's fun. There's 2 schoolhouses in the background. There's actually like 3 different foreground, midground, and a background to this painting, and it's pretty much the genuine pictorial version of what happened in the 1870s. The painter was Winslow Homer. He was born in 1836 and died in 1910. His fields of work included drawing, wood engraving, oil painting, and watercolor painting. He was part of the realistic movement. What I found most interesting about this painting was that it has been recreated hundreds of times, but he made a different piece in each one of those mediums. The one that I saw was the oil one on canvas though, but the Butler Art Museum also had a drawing and they also had a wood engraving as well. The visual elements that were included in this painting are that you can actually see the brush strokes if you get up close enough and look through the glass that's covering it. You can see each individual brush stroke that is included. The diagonal line of the whip is balanced by the hills that are in the background, and the diagonals and the boys' legs also add a sense of movement and motion to the painting. The colors of the browns and the greens make it seem as if it's a real life, it could be a photograph. The chiaroscuro that's on the pants adds depth to the painting, and also this schoolhouse that's in the background adds depth. In the midground there's another schoolhouse. It's kind of hard to see, it's real little, but there's another one. Just shows that they were like a one-room schoolhouse. That's how most of them were back then. And the lighting, it's pretty much, you can assume that it's a sun that is coming from the top left corner. The purpose of this was to show the life in the 1800s. It's to celebrate the youth of the children, and it shows how simple life was back then. I found it, my most interest in it was that I've seen it before, maybe not the original one, but I've seen it in many different places. It's recreated all over, and pretty much everybody knows what it is.
Winslow Homer, one of our great American artists, and American realism.